Business owners, have you ever wished you could be everywhere? Talk to all your customers, all at the same time? Introducing Humanizer, your true AI-powered human agent that talks, listens, and connects, just like you. For businesses, creators, marketers, sales pros, and beyond. Imagine being in multiple places at once, helping every customer, follower, or client. Endless conversations, personal connections, more sales, better support. Your human agent can meet anyone, anywhere, and speak their language, face to face, human to human. That's the future of connecting with people. Interact, convert, help, grow. Want a quick demo? Pick a ready-made agent or create your own. Teach it your knowledge. Add it to your or client website. Then sit back and watch it work for you.
As a financial advisor, my role is to help individuals. 私は保護者や生徒の皆様が
I serve as the bridge between our company and our valued clients.
I am dedicated to helping individuals achieve their health.
Je suis dédié à vous accompagner dans tous vos projets immobiliers.
Be everywhere, all at once. It's time to take your business to the next level. Start with Humanizzer today. From the desk of Dr. Amit Parikh and Atul Parikh, 30th of January, 2025, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Humanizer, human connections made simple.